Alright, y'all. So on this one, we got us a tire losing air. It's all bumpy and cupping, and we are in the wall. We're in the wall. We're gonna need a tire. So when it's like right here, but on the other side, when it's too close to the wall, that's taking away from the integrity of the tire. That muck can end up blowing. So we're not gonna plug or patch that. The wall. So they're gonna need a tire. We are gonna temporarily plug the tire, actually, until we get the new tire in. So I'm gonna show you all that process, but you don't want to do this if it's on the wall. I'm telling you, I'm about to show you how to take it off. So let's get it. See that? Way too close to the wall. We ain't got no bubbles, so it's holding for now.